How to fix your community standards in your Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your community standards of your Facebook Messenger. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that you update your Messenger application with time to time. For that, you have to go in your app store or the Play Store that you are using, and you just have to search for your Messenger. So now once you are in, you just have to click on it and update your Messenger app, and if it is not updated, you just have to update it and you just have to open it. So now once you are in here, in the top left corner there is the three horizontal lines. You have to click on it, and from here you have to click on this gear icon to go in the settings of your Messenger. Now you just have to scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the report a problem. You have to tap on it, and from here you have to go in the report anyway. Now you have to include the logs and the diagnostics, and as you can see that here is the option of the you have to briefly explain that what happened, and here you have to type that you want to fix your community standards of your Facebook Messenger, and after that you have to make sure that you add your username and you have to also add your email address, and after that you just have to click on the send. And after sending your report, you have to wait for the Facebook Messenger to respond to your report. So this is the only way that you can fix your community standards of your Facebook Messenger. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.